We've got another super new model Amarok in stock today. MASV Black Edition, 3-litre V6 this one. And this is the style with the all-important premium pack. Really good factory specification on this. Also got the towing pack plus, which has obviously a tow bar, but rear diff lock, trailer sway, assistance features. Very expensive option. This one's got it all. Full commercial vehicle, 74 registered with delivery mileage only. Dark grey metallic, and it's got our full MASV styling pack. What that gives you is full gloss black grills to the front, lower satin black nudge bar. It's got the MASV gloss black badging, extended wide arches, 20-inch gloss black wheels on this one with all-terrain tyres. Looks great in the dark grey metallic. Black VW badging on the front. And with the premium pack models, you get the IQ premium LED lights with daytime running lights. These are adaptive matrix LEDs. Gloss black wing mirrors, window deflectors, gloss black side steps, privacy glass. Full bespoke truck. This is a commercial vehicle, tax efficient for your business. Smoked rear tail lights, gloss black rear bumper, factory detachable tow bar, black rear badge, full load liner in this one. Like all our trucks, we put load liners in them. You get the 12-volt power in the back there, lashing points. We can supply and fit covers, roller shutters, canopies. The 4Motion badging. We've been selling a lot of these Amaroks. They seem to be the most popular pickup everyone's going for now, with all the luxury features you get of a car. So I'm going to show you inside. With the premium pack model vehicles, you get the light grey and perforated black leather. Large tablet-sized screen in the centre there. We've got the charging pad for iPhones. Harmon Kardon Premium audio. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist. We've got the full digital speedo. 41 delivery miles only, making this a new but registered vehicle. And diff lock to the back if ever needed. Full four-wheel drive settings, different drive modes. You will never get stuck in one of these. In the back, little fold-down armrest, all the lovely leather. There's some additional power points in the 3-pin domestic socket in the rear. We've got a couple of these available. They're very, very hard to get at the moment. LED lights on the front there, the daytime running lights. In stock now, ready to go. Give me a call, 0777 111 2040. It's Harvey, www.ma-sv.co.uk. Thank you for watching.